Burnt steak, barbecue, gunpowder. Astronauts keep reporting the same thing after spacewalks. Space has a smell. But wait, how can something that's a vacuum even smell like anything? It's one of the weirdest facts about space. A place with no air, no oxygen, and no pressure somehow leaves behind a scent that sticks in astronauts' memories. So, what causes it? Let's head outside the spacecraft and find out. Canadian astronaut Chris Hadfield has been on multiple spacewalks, and he describes it like this. It smells a little like burnt steak or gunpowder, almost like brimstone, like a witch had just been there. Charming. But he's not alone. Dozens of astronauts have noted a smoky, metallic, slightly sweet odor when re-entering the spacecraft after floating in space. So here's what's weird. Space has no smell. It's a vacuum, but when astronauts repressurize the airlock and open the hatch, a smell lingers in the chamber, and it's strong. That's when it hits them. The distinct scent of something burned. What's really going on? According to Hadfield, it's not space that smells. It's space's effect on the spacecraft itself. Out in the vacuum, tiny particles and trace elements trapped in the metal walls of the ship begin to off-gas. They literally escape from the materials because there's no air pressure holding them in. Once the hatch closes and pressure returns, those particles get swept up in the air and into the astronauts' noses. The scent has been compared to burnt steak, welding fumes, even spent gunpowder. It likely comes from polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs, molecules formed when carbon-based materials burn incompletely. These molecules are common in space, often formed around stars or inside meteorites. So when a spacewalker's suit, gloves, or tools are exposed to space, they might bring back a few of these invisible hitchhikers. And when the airlock repressurizes, it's like popping the cork on a bottle. A brief, weird burst of chemistry hits the air. So, does space really smell like burnt steak? Not exactly. But the environment pulls hidden smells from metals, suits, and surfaces in ways that only a vacuum can. It's not what space is, it's what space does. Astronauts say the smell fades quickly, but for a few seconds, it's like sniffing the inside of a cosmic barbecue pit. For more space oddities, strange science, and sensory overloads from the edge of the universe, subscribe to Cosmic Crunch. We've got more bite-sized weirdness coming your way.